is a comment that one of my subscribers made on one of my videos. Keyword has been my biggest problem. Please make a video for me on how you make your book visible on the Amazon market. This is why I usually advise and encourage my subscribers to always leave comments in the comment section because I love to read them. I love to answer your questions. So going back to this video, it says keyword research. I know a lot of people are actually struggling with this particular thing because it's not enough for you to create the best book. It's not enough for you to create the best low content book or puzzle book or whatever book it is. What is more important is the ability for people to be able to find those books. Because if they can't find them, they won't be able to purchase the book. So what is the point? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a tool to actually do your keyword research. This tool is very, very amazing. It's going to show you everything you need to know about the kind of niche you want to create books on and the keywords that you need to use. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any important segment. The name of this tool is called bookbolt. bookbolt is actually a very awesome tool that can help you create your low content books, give you keywords that you could use, help on keywords and the search volume that they have on Amazon every month. This is an interesting tool that you want to pay attention to. This tool can also help you create the content, although we are not going to be going into that part today because I've actually done that in another video. But for this video, I just want to explain to you how you can do keyword research with this tool. So for example, you come over to product. When you click on product, it's going to actually give you this page. So from this page, what is the keyword that you want to create content for, especially your low content book? If you're creating a journal, for example, you're going to come over to this side. Can you see that there are several sections? We have the notebook, we have the journal, we have the music sheet, we have the calendar, and so on. So let's say, for example, I'm creating for a journal. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type the keyword for that journal that I want to use. For example, let's say I want to do fitness for women, or let's say I want to do fitness journal for men. Let's just use that as an example for men, and I click on the word search. So right now, it has brought out this result for me. So it's going to be showing me for 100 results. That is what bookbolt is going to be giving me now. One of the advantages of this tool is that you have everything that you want in a particular place. Every information you want, you can even create your book. Everything can be done in one place. All you need to do is to export what you've gotten and take it over to Amazon. This is very amazing. So this is showing me for a total of 100 books. And let me go down and scroll. So you can see right now. The amazing thing is that it's going to show me the BSR ranking, and it's going to show me the estimated number of sales. Guys, this book was published on September 4th, 2022, just last year, and it has made over 302 sales. This is actually amazing. And if you check another one, this has made 227 estimated sales, and like that. So these are likely keywords. These are the keyword counts. But let me take you to this interesting part. Yeah, this is where I want you to see. So it's saying that the related keyword to that keyword I use, fitness journal, has over 35,403 search volume. Guys, this is oh, this is just too good. This is very amazing. So you can scroll down and you see a lot. Like, this is massive. So even when you create a journal, when you want to write your headline, maybe the title and your subtitle, you can actually use part of these keywords that are here. You can put them and you can use it to create something very awesome that people would see. That is that for this product section. Let's go back to the cloud section. Guys, there are so much, like, it's too interesting. So I come over to this place. I'm not dealing with notebooks. I'm dealing with journals. So I'm just going to we're going to search for fitness journal for women. And we're going to click on search. So it has actually brought out the result. I'm just going to look at it right now. So these are the results, and is based on like their rate, their ranking when it comes to the BSR ranking. So this one, the BSR is 2065. This one is 5175. This is 5470. Guys, with this, you can even understand the book. You can know the book that is doing well in that niche. So if you decide to go for that niche, you need to know, okay, what books are already doing well? What are the keywords that those people are using? So you can actually open one of those books, look at what the keywords that the person is using, look at the pricing, like you have all your information in one place. This does not mean that you should exclude other factors that we look at in terms of the results between 1 to 1,000. But when you're trying to create a book, you also need to check for the saturation of that keyword. So you need to also know if this keyword that you're trying to rank for is already super saturated. So for example, now we have a keyword that fitness journal for women. We know this keyword is actually doing well, and we know that the search result is very, very high. Even those that have book in this section, they are actually doing well. This is independently published, independent published, and they have a good BSR ranking. So right now it says estimated sales 733. This one's 5. So it's actually doing well. These books are actually doing well. So if you want to create something like this, you can actually click on the book and look at what is working and how does this publisher actually put their books together. Also, don't forget the place of you going to Amazon to check and be sure that this niche you're about to write on is not too saturated. For example, let's go over to Amazon. So I'm on Amazon right now. So I'm just going to paste, I'm going to type fitness journal for women. So even while trying to write fitness journal for women, you can see that there are several other keywords that are already coming out for me to use. So right now I have over 10,000 results on that fitness journal for women. Although I feel this is a bit high, but if you feel like you have something you can do based on what other people have already done, based on those results that we got from bookbolt, if you feel like you can tweak one or two things, add more spice to it, and do well than others, fine. But if not, I feel like that result is already high and it's kind of saturated. So you can actually keep doing other research here, keep searching for keywords. The point is that you need to understand that the keyword that you're searching for has like a particular, like the search volume is high and people really want that kind of thing. People are really searching for it. If not, then you need to change the keyword. So right now I'm going to come over to this place that says keyword. I'm going to search for keywords. This is almost the same as the product. It's almost the same as the product section. Yeah, I have a keyword. I put in the keyword. Let's say fit book, fitness journal. That is a keyword I found somewhere. So guys, it has brought out the results, and this is amazing. So it says blogulate fitness journey, and it has over 18,000. Like guys, this is awesome. 18,000 search volume on Amazon. This is 1,000 every month. Like guys, there's people are really searching for this. They're searching for this thing. So this is a tool you can use to get everything that you need about your keyword. This is a tool that you can use. Guys, look at it. It's showing you the volume. So when you are trying to even write your title and your subtitle, like I said earlier, you can know the keywords to use. Even when you're trying to fill your 7 keyword space, you know the likely keywords to use. Yeah, it has even come again. It said most frequent keywords. It's showing you the most frequent keywords that people use. See, it's already year 2023 fitness tracker journal. This is amazing. This is super amazing. This is super, super amazing, and I would love you to jump on this opportunity. It is very exciting. It will save you a lot of time. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of guesswork. Many of us guess when we are trying to publish on Amazon. This is going to save you a lot of time on guesswork. So this is KDP categories. When you're trying to upload your book and it asks you for category, let's say we still work with the fit book fitness journal. So we're asking what kind of category can we put this, and this is it. So it's already showing you the category that you can place this book: non-fiction, health and fitness, work related, health, oral health. This tool is going to save you a lot of time. If you are like me that don't like to waste time, this is a tool that you need to jump on right now. Like, you need to jump on this tool. It is amazing. So I'm going to be showing you how to actually get this tool. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm also going to be showing you how you can get a 20% discount by using the code I'm going to be leaving in my description section of this video. So to get access to this tool, you come over to Google and type bookbolt. You click on this first result, and it's going to bring you over to this page. So before you sign up, I would like you to understand how bookbolts work and the pricing for bookbolt. This is actually what, guys. So for the pricing, we have for monthly, we have for the newbie, we have $9.99. Pro, we have $19.99. Remember, if you use my code, you can get a 20% discount. So from this, you can get a 3-day free trial. You'll be able to do your keyword and product research. You'll be able to do your cover and interior, Amazon search volume, KDP spy, and 24/7 customer support with this. But with this one, with the pro version, you get an extra feature, which is the puzzle creation software. For this will create unlimited amounts of puzzle books that you can sell on KDP. Then have a yearly plan where you get to pay it's $9.99 and $199.99 for the pro. If you don't want to struggle no more with keywords, if you want to ensure that your book gets visible, I would advise that you go for this tool, because it actually is going to serve you the purpose. So right now, you're just going to, I already have an account here, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be signing up. So it's going to ask you which plan you're going for. Are you going for the newbie or you're going for the pro? Whichever one. Let's say we're going for the newbie. We click on 3-day free trial, and it's going to bring you to this section where you need to fill in your details. So right now, I'm just going to fill in my details. I'm just going to fill in my details. So then you confirm your password. Then what country are you in? I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to put Nigeria. Then all these other ones are optional. Then you're going to acknowledge, then click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take you over to this section. Okay, password does not match. There is an issue. Let me just do that again. So next. So now it says we use Stripe as our payment processor. So guys, I know some persons in Nigeria may have issues. If you don't have like a dollar card, you might not be able to use your Naira card to make payments. So make sure that it's either you use your dollar card in this instance, or you create or you create a Stripe account so that you can use it to pay. You can also use my coupon code that I'm going to be leaving at the end of this video, or in the description section of this video. You can place it here so that you get a 20% discount. Then you can register. This is actually worth it. If you really want to save time creating low content books on Amazon KDP, then this is a must-have tool for you. mentioned earlier, you can actually use this tool to create the content of the book itself. You're just going to come over to this place where it says research, and you're going to click on create. When you click on create, it's going to ask you if you want to use bookbolt studio or bolt mass cover converter. We'll just go for the bookbolt studio. And so this is what you're going to see next. It's going to ask you if you want to do cover and interior. So we're going to put, we're doing cover and interior paperback. You name your project. I'm just going to name it anything. Then the dimension of the book that you're about to create. It could be this, it could be anyone. So I'm just going to put in my dimension. It's going to ask you black and white with interior, black and white with cream paper, standard color interiors, and all of that. So you just pick, I pick black and white. So it's asking me for my page count because a low content book, and depending on what you are trying to create, you could make it 100, you can make it 24, you can make it 50, and all of that. So I'm just going to write 25, and I'm going to click on create project. Once I click on create project, it's going to bring me over to this page where I can now start doing everything I want to do about my cover and about my interior. Guys, this is an opportunity for you to actually make money online through Amazon KDP by creating low content books that you are very sure that people are interested in. So make sure you jump on this opportunity. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'll be doing a video, another video on how to create your interior using bookbolt. Although I had a video on that before, but I'll also be doing another video just to refresh your memory on how to create your low content book using bookbolt. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn